These videos are going crazy on all social media right now. I found this first on TikTok, where there are channels that are blowing up in their first video and channels that are making millions of views in all of their videos. All this has happened only on the last week. So there is still opportunity for you to jump in and start creating videos like these and going viral on your first video. That's what I'm going to show you today. One of these 3 videos was mine, and you cannot even tell which one is it, right? So yeah, this one is the one that I created and that I will show you how to create right on this video. Pretty good, right? So in this video, you will get all the information to get started on this trend and start making some money with it. We will test it from different tools, but I'm going to present to you a secret one that has all the tools in one place. And I'll show you how the most popular ones work. So make sure you are watching the whole video to get all the information that you need. To make it easier for you to follow up, we are going to break this into steps. To get started with the first step, we need to get one of these videos so we can feed that to ChatGPT and teach what we want to generate. Now I'm going to download one of these videos like this, and then I will also take some screenshots of these frames just so we have more data to feed to ChatGPT. Now that I have all the information needed, we need a prompt for ChatGPT too. I've taken care of that also, where I have prepared the prompt for you, which you might be able to find down in the description. Now let's upload the video and the image onto the ChatGPT, and then let's copy the prompt and paste it on prompt section here on ChatGPT. And boom. Here is the breakdown what you want, and on the end is the prompt that we need to use. First, we are going to use VO3 because this is what this competitor is using. It says VO here, so this is the easiest way, but it's more expensive. So I'm going to show you different ways we can make these videos. I will show you from most expensive one, which is VO3, down to some that cost way less than VO3. Now that we have the prompt ready, we can go to the next step where we'll generate the footage. Now I'm going to present to you a tool that has all in one. It has integrated VO3 lately. We have KlingAI, Halo, Runaway, etc. I'm going to show you how all these tools perform into creating these videos, so make sure you watch the whole video to see which one is the best tool to create these videos. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give me some support in what I'm doing, and say I'm ready on the comments to show me that you are ready to start working on this and start making money. Now, let me present you Pollo AI. This is the tool that I was talking about. You can click the link on the description, which will direct you to Pollo AI, and then let's go to text to video. Let's choose the model to be Google VO3. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it on the prompt section here in Pollo AI, and then press generate. It will take some seconds to generate, so in the meantime, I'll tell you why VO3 is the best option. If you want to invest in creating videos on this niche, then this is the best option because it will generate the video and also will generate the sound of the video. So boom, here we have the video ready, and let's check it out. See? It's perfect. We got our first clip, which is great. It has the footage that we need, the sound matching perfectly with the footage, so this is exactly what we need. Then I would like to try MidJourney to generate some images and see if we can turn those into videos. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask you to make some prompts that we can use in MidJourney. But this again, I'm just exploring different ways that we can make these videos, so you don't have to go through this. So what we're going to write in ChatGPT is, I'm going to need you to write me 7 prompts for different fruits so I can generate similar images using MidJourney. And boom, here we have the prompts. So let's go test 1 or 2 in MidJourney. Now let's copy the prompt and add it on prompt section, and let's add --16:9 to get the right ratio. Alright, here we have the image. This is not exactly what we need. Let's try another one. Okay, no, so MidJourney is not really working. This will not work to create this viral video. So let's go back and try KlingAI text to video on Pollo AI. Let's go now to ChatGPT and ask to write us prompts so that we can use to generate similar video clips using KlingAI 2.0. You need to write, okay, now let's write some prompts where I can generate these videos using KlingAI 2.0. It should show only one fruit as for the video and images that I have attached. and boom. Here we have the prompts. Now let's go and try it out on Pollo AI now. Copy one prompt and go select the model to be KlingAI 2.0. Then paste the prompt on the prompt section, hit generate, and boom. We got our first generation ready. Let's check it out. Okay, it's pretty good to be honest. The only thing that is missing is the sound. But I'll show you in a little bit how we can generate the ASMR sound. Now let's try another one. Go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it here, and boom. Now I want to try to generate some images and see if it's better if we first generate the image and then animate it. So let's go to AI image generator here in Pollo AI. Let's select the model to be Imagine 4. Select the ratio to be 16:9. I'm going to use the same prompt as for the video, so paste it in the prompt section. Let's select only 2 images to be generated, hit generate, and boom. Very good results. I like it a lot. Let's try another one. Go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it here. Let's make only one generation for this one, hit generate, and boom. Alright, amazing result. This is what we want. I tried the strawberry too, but the results were not that good, to be honest. It means that sometimes you might not get that good results. Now I want to test some tools for generating the animation so you don't have to test them. You can choose whichever one you like it from the results that I will show you. So now we are at the image to video. I'm going to choose the model first to be KlingAI 2.0 to test the image to video generator. Let's upload the image, copy the same prompt again, and paste it on prompt section. Hit generate, and here are the results. Not bad, except in the end it's turning into real tomato, so we don't want that. But I'm sure if we redo it, it will have made it better. So KlingAI is definitely a good model to choose, either with text to video or image to video model. Now I'm going to test another model. So let's choose runway. The prompt is already set. All we need to do is press generate. I don't really like it that much. The end especially is very boring. So runway, I wouldn't use this one. Now let's choose another one. Let's go to Pika. Again, everything is ready. We just need to press generate, and not really. This is not what we are looking for. We want it to be slow, satisfying, and kind of artistic. We cannot use this type of animation for our videos. Let's try another one. Let's go with highlight this time. Let's hit generate, and this was the worst one so far. We can use this either. Anyway, now how I will do this myself to save some money and still make viral content is I will do my first 2 clips with VO3, and then the rest I will use KlingAI to generate, so that would save me some credits to use on the next clips for VO3. This seems like a good plan if you want to incorporate it into your content creation. Now you might say, but only VO3 clips have some. Well, I got you covered on that too. We are going to use 11 labs to generate our sounds. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask. Now I'm going to use 11 labs to create sound effects of the chopping pieces. Can you please write me prompts that I can use? Alright, here we have the prompts to use on 11 labs. The link for all the tools that I'm using are down in the description. So let's copy a prompt and go to 11 labs. Go to sound effects, paste the prompt on the prompt section, and hit generate. Here we have the sounds. Let's listen to them. Amazing. This is something we can definitely use. So yeah, this is how you generate the sound, and as a last step, we will need an editor to put all the clips together. For that, we are going to use CapCut. Let's open CapCut, select the ratio here to be 16:9, then click on Create Project. This is how the CapCut timeline looks like. Now let's just import all of our footage and sound. I don't have a lot of footage since I'm doing this only for demonstration, so I'll not make a long video to waste time, but basically it's the same process for a 10-second video and for a 1-minute video. So let's put the first clip on the timeline, and this looks great. You can adjust the length a little if it's just static shot of the end to make it fast-paced and not a boring video. Now let's put the second clip, and also let's add the sound on the left clip that we generated from 11 labs, and looks great. Now let's add the next clip, and I also made the sound for this one too, so let's just add it here and match it with a video length, and boom. That's it. Now I like to add some transition between the clips. So just go to transition, and then I like this one called flat fade. Let's drag and drop it on the cut here. You can press apply to all to add it on every cut, and boom, this is it. That's our video, ready to go viral and make us some money. It's that simple, guys. All you need to do is choose your path and how you want to create these videos, but this is pretty much it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. You would be the first one to see these videos as they drop and not miss the chance on going viral. I'm the first one to always do this breakdown of fishes, so my subscribers can be the first ones to jump into these viral niches. Also, don't forget to join the waitlist and be one of the people who will get access to my close circle of like-minded people that are making $10,000 per month with YouTube automation. My whole blueprint is going to be there, so make sure you join the waitlist because the numbers are limited. That's it from me. If this video didn't get you to start a business channel, then you can check this other one where I break down another viral niche. See you in the next video.